What's up, everyone? You're tuned in to the TYSK report. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into these tech articles. This company is using AI to give people American sounding accents. Krisp, the company best known for its noise cancellation app, is launching a new AI tool that's supposed to convert a speaker's accent to American English in real time. Krisp says AI accent conversion can convert someone's accent with a 200 millisecond latency, which it calls an imperceptible delay in conversations, all while preserving their natural speaking voice. The tool currently supports more than 17 Indian dialects, but Krisp says it plans to add other English accents in the future, such as Filipino. And to give us a little bit more visual insight into what this tool is about, let's check out this video right here.
Hello everyone, my name is Mandovi and I'm a senior project manager at a global technology company. Given the global and diverse culture of our company, my accent can sometimes make it difficult for others to fully understand me. That's why I use Krisp's accent conversion feature.
As you can see, when I turn accent conversion on, AI adjusts my accent to make my speech clearer while preserving my voice's unique characteristics. This helps me communicate more effectively without worrying about being misunderstood. It eliminates the need to repeat myself, making conversations flow more smoothly and reducing miscommunication. It also boosts my productivity by letting me focus entirely on my message, rather than adjusting my speech. Whether in internal meetings or calls with global customers, Krisp ensures everyone hears me clearly, helping me collaborate better and build stronger connections.
Now I have turned accent conversion off so you can hear the difference. Without it, my natural accent is more noticeable, which can sometimes make it harder for others to fully understand me in fast-paced discussions.
Now I have turned it back on. While I embrace my accent, clarity is key in professional settings. That's why I rely on Krisp. It ensures I'm always understood while keeping my voice authentic and making conversations effortless. Thank you for watching this demo.
All right, so very interesting use of technology right there. And there have been plenty of times of people complaining about how they get a call from someone in a different country and they can't understand them. Well, now with this type of technology, you'll be able to hear them clear and understand why they're calling. So what do you think about this Krisp AI conversion tool? Do you believe that it's something that would be very useful for people in other countries? Or do you think there are other methods that companies could use to help others understand people in other countries? Also in that article, Ardo, the co-founder, talked about how he has an accent and how his English is fluent, but people can barely understand him. So standing in his shoes from his perspective, this could be a tool that could be a game changer. Alibaba's TaoAvatar is a full-body photorealistic virtual avatar for AR applications. Recently, a research team under Alibaba Group quietly unveiled a remarkable new technology, TaoAvatar. This innovative project focuses on building photorealistic, full-body talking 3D virtual humans, aiming to revolutionize augmented reality applications and make interactions in the digital world more vivid and natural. The emergence of TaoAvatar signals that our future AR experiences will feature virtual avatars capable of listening, speaking, expressing emotions, and performing actions. TaoAvatar's core function lies in its ability to create highly realistic 3D full-body virtual avatars resembling real people. More importantly, these virtual avatars are not static models but can engage in real-time conversations within AR's 3D environments. By integrating the audio 2BS model, the virtual human's facial expressions and gestures are dynamically generated based on the audio content, achieving natural synchronization of lip movements, expressions, and actions. The release of TaoAvatar not only showcases Alibaba's latest advancements in 3D virtual human technology, but also signals that AR applications will experience more immersive and natural interaction methods. Whether it's remote collaboration, online education, virtual socializing, or digital entertainment, TaoAvatar is expected to play a significant role, allowing users to have a communicative and emotional digital counterpart in the AR world. So that's just some of the latest news when it comes to the augmented reality world. And as companies like Roku DistroKid and Meta begin to improve their augmented reality glasses, over time these are going to be available for people to have, and these type of TaoAvatars are going to be very beneficial when it comes to giving you information in different environments when you're out in the world. Also, as a digital counterpart, let's say for instance you are able to put on these augmented reality glasses, you can have that digital counterpart take on different tasks where it's able to read you some news or read an article to you, or other interesting use cases where it can take on the role of an assistant. Flexxbotics updates FlexxCORE to help robotic companies scale production. Flexxbotics announced the latest release of FlexxCORE, the patent-pending technology at the center of its Flexxbotics system. The company said the new release delivers more powerful capabilities for machine tending, quality control, and robotic production. FlexxCORE does this by enabling both industrial and collaborative robots to run multiple machines with multiple operations for multiple part SKUs, said Flexxbotics. These new systems capabilities enable manufacturers to scale robotic production across the smart factory in a standardized way for greater plant capacity, quality, and EBITDA margins, the company claimed. FlexxCORE is a low-code environment for composing and running transformers, and the transformers enable bi-directional read-write between robots and all types of machinery for many-to-many interoperability, the company said. The system delivers compatibility with more than 1,000 makes and models of robots, factory equipment, and inspection devices, and enables 22 times faster connector creation than conventional automation integration methods. The company said its latest version of FlexxCORE allows global companies to roll out automation in a standardized way for advanced machine tending. It said the smart factory support includes robot multi-machine orchestration, robotic processing of multiple parts, autonomous process control, and future-ready agility. So that's just some of the latest news from Flexxbotics when it comes to their FlexxCORE technology. And over time, many of these different environments are going to implement smart technology. And as this continues to advance, over time, these robots are going to be able to get smarter, be more efficient and productive, and one day operate in a way that we haven't seen before. Outreach founder Manny Medina has a new startup that helps AI agents get paid. Manny Medina, best known as the founder and former CEO of the value sales automation company Outreach, just launched a startup called Paid. Paid doesn't make AI agents, it offers a platform that makes sure they get paid profitably. The premise of Paid is that the old ways of charging for software won't work with AI agents. Agentic companies can't charge per user or per seat, meaning based on how many people are using the software, like old school Microsoft Office. The whole point is that one employee could run lots of agents, or agents will run by themselves with no human overseer at all. Companies developing AI agents also can't charge like the last big generational change in software, charging by usage, because if agents work properly, they are taking over a whole role. An agent's customer doesn't want to pay for all the discrete tasks an AI agent does. They want to pay for its results like an employee. Paid allows agentic startups to create pricing, fixed or variable, with an eye for profitable margins. The Paid platform is being marketed to startups rather than enterprises like Salesforce and Microsoft, which are also offering agentic platforms. Paid has a few different companies as beta customers, such as Logic.app, LX, VidLab7, Artesian, and Happy Robot. So if this news is an eye-opener to you, well, now you know that one day AI agents are definitely going to get paid for the work that they produce. And I'm thinking that because of this news, where it is right now, I do believe that over time, AI agents are going to get more than just being able to get paid. They are soon going to be able to have rights, and this is going to go along with robots and drones. And when I say rights, I'm thinking of rights that humans have when it comes to not only being able to get paid, but being treated fairly, all the other types of rights that comes with working for a company. So this may seem like a far-fetched idea, but you'll have to put on your futuristic lenses to look ahead and see what's coming later on down the road, because over time, as more of this technology is going to be integrated, people might be upset about it and try to break it and attack it, as you can see right here from this image with the people destroying this robo-taxi from Waymo. In the future, that's not going to be the case due to the protections that many of this technology is going to have. EHang has a double breakthrough with their EVTOL factory and first unmanned flight in Europe. Chinese air taxi company EHang has established a new joint venture with Jack Motors to fund construction of production facility for its EVTOL aircraft following the company's first unmanned urban EVTOL flight test in Spain. The new joint venture between EHang, Jack Motors, and EHang Holdings will see the construction of a new construction compound in Hefei, the capital of Anhui, China. The JV hopes to integrate the city's existing production supply chain's new aircraft EVTOL manufacturing technology, promote the standardization of key aircraft components, and establish unified industry standards in the growing air taxi space. The company signed a strategic cooperation agreement with Hefei municipal government back in October of 2023, which led to the establishment of 2 EVTOL vertiports at Lugang Central Park in Hefei. EHang has also received a flight license for commercial operation of its unmanned passenger air taxis from the Civil Aviation Administration of China. EHang completed the test using one of its EH216S unmanned EVTOL aircraft. The company also flew 12 additional drones alongside the EH1216S in a second test designed to highlight the effectiveness of EHang's coordinated multi-drone operations. So I've talked about EHang before of how they are continuing to expand and grow and display their use case of their pilotless air taxis. So this is just another example of them continuing to do that, and I believe over time they are going to grow, and as I stated previously, this is going to be the air taxi company that is going to be dominant over there on the eastern side of the world. Dutch Transit gets a VR overhaul, blending education and virtual tourism. Recently, Changefield launched a new targeted immersive learning platform on the MetaQuest portfolio. The firm debuted Dutch Virtual Public Transport, a training application developed alongside Dutch transport organizations that provides a virtual reality simulation of the region's public transport system to help international visitors and neurodivergent individuals understand routes. This is a spinoff of the firm's virtual OV learning platform, allowing users to practice in a safe virtual environment with features that simulate trip planning, checking in, navigating stations, and transferring between routes. The training solution, ready for MetaQuest 3 and 3S headsets, is available at the MetaQuest store for free. This is not the first training solution from Changefield. The firm's virtual tech lab allows users to practice assembling IT components in a virtual environment without limitations such as hardware, time, and money constraints. Changefield describes Virtual Tech Lab on its website as the leading virtual learning environment revolutionizing IT hardware education. So this is a very nice use case for immersive technology and being able to plan your trip so that way you know exactly where to go and how to get there. And I do believe that this can enhance and improve, and over time many people may use the virtual reality world to plan their trips, where they are going to be able to take a tour of a place or see a quick little snippet of a place, giving them more exposure to what they will experience when they travel to that destination. Microsoft adds Deep Reasoning Copilot AI for research and data analysis. Microsoft has provided an announcement including details of the 2 deep reasoning agents for Microsoft 365 Copilot that it claims are the first of their kind, dubbed Research and Analysts, as well as new capabilities for custom AI agents. Researcher relies on OpenAI's Deep Research AI model to pull off complex multi-step research, along with access to third-party data via connectors to sources like Salesforce or ServiceNow, so that the business customers can derive insights from across their tools. Analyst is based on the O3 mini reasoning model from OpenAI, and Microsoft claims that with chain of thought reasoning, it's capable of turning raw data into spreadsheets, running Python code that you can view while it's running, and operate on the level of a skilled data scientist. Microsoft also claims the new agent flows in Copilot are powerful enough to automate any task you can imagine with rule-based workflows that include AI actions. So that's just some of the latest news in the world of technology. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. Do me a favor, like the video, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. Check out these 2 videos right here. Let me know what you think down in the comments section of those videos, and stay tuned for the next TYSK report.